Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 Buick Encore Preferred Group, stock number X253XX. Only 27,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Color is called Winterberry Red Metallic. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This preferred group has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Gauges with driver information system. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to use heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission, manual shift capability. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Encore has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Encore, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.